Hello, we're ready for Unit 5, Week 2, Day 3. This week we have been talking about what can you see in the sky. We've talked about planes, moon, clouds, birds, rain, snow. We can see lots of different things in the sky. All right, get your choppers out. We're going to chop and then you're going to smooth blend the sounds together to make a word. Here we go. Word. Word. Nice job. Earth. Birth. Earn. Turn. Earth. Nurse. Firm. Work. Work. Nice job blending those sounds. This week we've been talking about ER, IR, UR, and OR and how they all can say like in her. So get those lion paws out and let's tap. Here we go. Surf. Work. Verb. Never. All right, now we have some pictures that we are going to spell these words. We're going to sound them out and then we're going to spell them. Our first picture is of a spider. Let's tap it. Spider. My first sound is S. My second sound is P. My third sound is I. D. ER says All right, now let's look at our next picture. Our next picture, the arrow is pointing to the dirt. Let's tap it. Dirt. D. IR. T. Dirt. Nice work. All right, let's look at our next picture. What is that a picture of? Purse. Let's tap it. Purse. P. This is UR, and S, and there is an E at the end of that word, purse. All right, what is this dancer doing? If you look at the lines right here, it's showing that she is turning. So we're gonna do turn. Let's tap it. Turn. T. UR. And turn. Nice job. All right, let's go ahead and read our sentences for the day. Here we go. The bird is in a hurry to catch the worm. The bird is in a hurry to catch the worm. Do you see any words? Bird, hurry, and worm. Nice work. All right, let's read our second sentence. Those workers never have to work on Thursday. Those workers never have to work on Thursday. Do you see any words? Workers, never, work, and Thursday. Do you know why Thursday? It's in the middle of our sentence, but Thursday's capital. Why is the T in Thursday capital? Do you know? That's right, it's a day of the week, and we capitalize days of the weeks. All right, let's go ahead and review our high frequency words. We're going to go fast today. Are you ready? Full, great, another, pour, climb, through. Nice job. Okay, this time, let's see. Use your loud voice. Are you ready? Climb, pour, great, another, full, through. Nice work. All right, we have some sentences that we have to fill in using our high frequency words. So here we go. Can we go blank the park blank time? Can we go through the park another time? That would work. All right, let's do another one. The blank puppy cannot blink out of the box. The poor puppy cannot climb out of the box. That was a blank meal, but now I am blank. That was a great meal, but now I am full. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.